Well, hello. Greetings from England. A parent has asked me whether they should send their child to a co-ed mixed school, boys and girls, or a single sex school. And it's a really good question. And it's interesting because the single sex schools, meaning all girls or all boys, will often say that their style of teaching and learning is far better than the co-ed mixed schools, where you can probably guess the mixed schools, the co-ed schools, say that their type of learning is a much better environment for the students. I think it really comes down to your individual child and what they are interested in. All boys' schools can be quite tough environments. Schools like Eton and Harrow and Winchester are quite robust schools, and it really attracts boys that have quite a lot of grit and determination. Also, many of the teachers in these schools are male, and for some boys, that really suits their style of learning, but for others, it possibly doesn't. For girls' schools, there's a strong argument that if your child, your daughter, is interested in things like science and maths, these traditionally are subjects which boys seem to dominate. So putting your child into an all girls school might be a good idea. My only concern with all girls schools is that sometimes girls all on their own can be quite nasty to each other. And I have sent many students to all girls schools, and I would have to say it is probably with mixed success. Co-ed schools where boys and girls learn together, I suppose, reflects a little bit more of the real world, and they learn about relationships. And because their boarding houses are always separate, you have boys' boarding houses and girls' boarding houses. When they mix, it's really in the classroom. And I think sometimes there's an argument that boys bring out the best in girls and girls bring out the best in boys. So I think there are merits for single sex and for co-ed, but it's that question of whether you really know your child and what sort of environment you think they would learn best in. Hope that's helpful. See you again soon. Bye bye.